A lot of you keep asking me to give an update in regards with my Poland application journey. And here's what happened in my application. Hey everyone, mga gwapo and gwapa, welcome to another vlog. In this video, I'm going to share to you an update in regards with my Poland application journey. The last time I uploaded this video, part 1, that was November 2024 and it was 4 months ago. It was stated also there the reason of my delayed application process. And now, here's what happened in my application. Last December 2024, our agency conducted a Zoom meeting informing us that they have an open hiring bound for Lithuania as production worker. So preferably, this is also part of Europe. And since wala pong progress sa Poland application ko due to BLS situation, all pending applicants was informed by the management of the agency that they are offering a two-way process. So ano po ito? Two-way process means nakaprocess po ang inyong documents in 2 countries. At halos lahat po ng mga kabatch ko is nag-agree nga po doon sa ino-offer ni agency. At bilang applicant, syempre, mas gusto mong mapabilis ang iyong apply at ikaw is makaalis agad. Lalo na kung ikaw is may binabayaran na utang doon sa paggamit mo ng pagbabayad ng mga processing fee. Dahil bilang applicant, ini-aim naman talaga natin na kung saan mapapabilis ang proseso ng ating pag-a-apply is, syempre, doon po tayo. And we are thankful also for the management of the agency for giving us an options. At ayun po, ginrab ko po yung offer ng agency for two-way process at nag-sign po ako ng contract. So for now, I am preparing and completing all the necessary documents bound for Lithuania. Dahil magkaiba po ang process ng Lithuania sa Poland. At kapag po nagkaroon ng progress ang apply ko papuntang Lithuania, expect nyo na po guys na mag-upload po ako ng mga future videos in regards with my application to Lithuania. So abangan nyo po ang mga susunod kong vlog in regards kung paano po ako nag-process step by step bound for Lithuania. For Poland application naman po, they are still not closing doors naman po in regards sa aming apply para sa Poland. Yun nga lang po, na pending nga lang siya kasi nga po merong mga hinihinging supporting documents si BLS. At isa na nga po ito, yung pagpapa-apostil mo ng iyong educational certificate. So, hindi po ito madali guys dahil kukuha ka po ng certified true copy doon sa school kung saan po ikaw nag-graduate. At bukod pa doon, pupunta ka pa ng DepEd para ipa-cov ito guys. Okay? So, in my case, sobrang hassle po guys dahil hindi naman po ako nag-graduate dito sa Metro Manila. So, sa Mindanao po ako nag-graduate ng high school. Kaya, medyo nahihirapan po ako guys kasi dahil ang dami na naman kailangan i-sacrifice at bukod na doon is mapapagastos na naman ng pag-aasikaso ng documents. Kaya tinanggap ko na rin po yung offer ng Bound for Lithuania dahil hindi po ganoon kahirap ang pagpe-prepare ng mga requirements na kailangan nila. Okay? Dahil sa Lithuania po, ang process ng kanilang visa appearance is through VFS. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala at suporta na binibigay nyo kay Inday Guapa Official. Huwag po kayo mag-alala guys dahil isi-share ko po sa inyo step-by-step process hanggang sa ako is makarating ng Europe. Okay? At naway matupad nyo rin po guys kung ano man po ang inyong mga pangarap sa buhay. At lagi po natin tatandaan, huwag po tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Okay? Tiwala lang po sa Diyos at sa sarili guys. Ayan. At think positive tayo always guys sa lahat po na nangyayari sa ating mga buhay-buhay. Tandaan din po natin guys na if we are aiming for something na hindi natin makuha-kuha ang isang bagay na yon, maaaring that was our God's protection for us. Okay? So, wag po tayo mawalan ng pag-asa guys at lagi po nating iisipin na ang lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa atin is my purpose. And that's it for this video guys. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa always saying, if you have a dream, let's make it happen. Bye! So up next, I'll be uploading on my future vlogs regarding my interview with my Lithuanian employer. See you on my next video. Bye!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to